Setting up a new computer usually means installing a few clean apps and moving on. But if you rely on a local AI assistant, a fresh install means wiping out months of context, preferences, and custom workflows. Over time, your Hermes agent accumulates specific data types, custom configurations, persistent memories, installed skills, active sessions, scheduled cron jobs, and unique user profiles. These components are what make the agent valuable. Fortunately, all of this complex state is centralized in one specific, predictable, hidden directory on your hard drive, the .hermes folder. Because everything lives inside that folder, we can follow a clear five-step roadmap to move the environment. We install the framework, back up the old state, copy the archive over, import it, and verify the setup. Moving this entire state directory is the only way to preserve the time and effort you've invested in training your agent through daily use. To begin, we need to capture your agent's current state on the old hardware. The objective is to package your entire Hermes environment into a single movable archive. We do this by running a single terminal command called Hermes Backup. This immediately generates a timestamped zip file on your machine. This archive pulls in your API keys, your agent's personality instructions, all the tool configurations, and the persistent memory databases. If you only want to move one specific agent, like a dedicated coding assistant, and leave the rest of your system untouched, you can use the Hermes Profile Export command instead. Oh, make sure to subscribe if you enjoy this content, and leave your feedback down below. Let's get back to it. Next, we have to move that archive from the old hardware to the destination machine. This requires caution. Your new backup contains raw, unencrypted API keys, authentication tokens, and private chat histories. Using a secure transfer method like SCP moves the payload directly across your local network without exposing the archive to public file sharing links. Once the file arrives on the new computer, do not attempt to unpack it yet. You must first ensure the Hermes application framework is installed on the destination. Execute the official curl installation command to build the blank framework. Then reload your shell environment so the new computer recognizes the Hermes command. Treating the backup as a sensitive vault while laying down a fresh software base provides a secure environment for the incoming data. Now, we can inject the transfer data archive into the freshly installed framework on the new computer. Run the Hermes import command, pointing it directly at the timestamped zip file you moved over. Even after the command finishes, you need to verify that the new machine correctly recognizes your old configuration. Running Hermes Doctor checks your LLM provider configurations and validates that your API keys reconnected successfully. You should also check your personal data. Running a sessions list and a skills list command confirms that your conversation history and learned capabilities arrived intact. Passing these specific diagnostic checks confirms the migration was successful, allowing you to resume your workflows without retraining the agent. There are two elements that often need a manual reset after a move: shell shortcuts and scheduled background tasks. If your custom command line shortcuts are missing, you can restore them by running the Hermes Profile Alias command to regenerate the system paths. Scheduled cron jobs also require attention. While the job data is restored, the background gateway service that executes those jobs must be started manually on the new hardware. Run Hermes Gateway Start to initiate the background service and confirm your automation schedules are active. Restarting the gateway service ensures your imported cron jobs can actually execute on their set schedules. Minor errors on your first launch are usually the result of local environmental differences, not a corruption of your migrated data. If you see command not found or API key missing errors, you likely just need to reload your shell profile or re-authenticate your OAuth tokens. Following this 5-command sequence, install, backup, copy, import, and verify ensures a clean migration from start to finish. This process makes your agent state portable so you can move to any new computer without losing the context you've built up over time.